We often view programs as rigid, top-to-bottom checklists of instructions, but modern software needs to be dynamic, checking the current state of its environment to make decisions on the fly. This logic follows a simple path. If a condition is true, the program takes a specific action. If that condition is false, it skips the action entirely and keeps moving. In Python, we translate that logic into code like this. We're checking a temperature variable, followed by an indented command to print a suggestion if that temperature is high enough. This requires two specific syntax rules. First, a colon must follow your condition. Second, you must indent the action block below it. That mandatory blank space tells Python exactly which commands belong to the if statement. Mastering these formatting rules is the key to controlling how a Python program evaluates its environment. When you need a backup plan for when a condition is false, use the else statement. This provides a clear alternative path for the program to follow. To link these two paths, Python requires them to share the exact same indentation plane. If the if and else keywords don't line up perfectly along this vertical margin, the program will fail to recognize them as connected logic. For more complex scenarios, the elif keyword, short for else if, allows you to chain together multiple distinct conditions in a sequence. Beware the execution order trap. Python reads elif chains top to bottom, stopping at the first true condition. In this grading script, a score of 95 outputs pass, not A+. It triggers the first valid condition, greater than 50, and ignores the rest. To prevent these silent logic bugs, always construct your chains by ordering them from the most specific, restrictive condition down to the most general. You can also nest your logic, creating a secondary decision that the program only considers if a primary condition has already been proven true. Nesting requires a second, deeper level of indentation for the inner if block. These color-coded zones show how the inner decision sits entirely within the boundaries of the outer suite. This reliance on spacing is a formal grammatical rule built directly into the language's core architecture. The official Python language reference shows the grammar definitions for an if statement, proving the engine depends on these indented suites to parse your logic correctly. Nesting empowers you to write multi-layered logic, but it demands strict adherence to whitespace rules to keep the decision tree from breaking. For simple binary choices, you can use a conditional expression. This is a professional shortcut for assigning a variable's value based on a single condition. This effectively collapses a bulky 4-line if-else block into a single, sleek line of code. The structure is inverted here. You state the true value first, followed by the if condition in the middle, and the false value at the very end. Remember the 3 golden rules. Guard your indentation to link your blocks, never forget your colons, and remember that elif chains evaluate strictly from top to bottom. Mastering these conditional statements transforms rigid scripts into smart, reactive programs capable of handling real-world data.